Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ishan Tech. Myself Ishan Vasis. Today we gonna start with MySQL, how to download it and install it without any issues. Simply watch this complete video and you guys got your answer. Firstly, open your search engine and search for MySQL. Open that website, MySQL. Let's take our time. So we got this web page, and now what we have to do, we have to just open this website which is named as MySQL official website. Just click on that link and you got your installer simply. Now just click on that download button. Now and you got that page, MySQL database services and all. Now go down, there's nothing interested. And in the ending of that page you got the link MySQL community GPL downloads. Just click on it and you got your community server and you can download it from there. And that page gives you the choices to choose your operating system, but by default is selected, as you can see. Now go down and click on that page, on that button actually. Go to download page. With that link you can easily visit download page. In this page you can select two options to download MSI installer. What can I suggest you? You should go with this one because it is cover all of the updates and totally easy to access. Go with that one. Simply you click the download button and you got this page. Just click on that button, no thanks, just start my download, and you can access your download. You can see it started, my downloading is started, and it will take around 2 minutes. Okay, so finally our download is complete and let's move on our next step. Open this installer simply. It is click this yes button. It's just take around 1 minute to go. Click this yes button again. Um, Here you can choose different ways to open this software, but what I can suggest, if you are a student or you just want to create something or develop something by your own self, so go with developer default. Now click on next button. You can choose your directions in computer where you want to store it and all. Like I just have one single drive which named as C, so I go install it over there simply, and I'm gonna click next button. Yes, next, and click on that execute button. It's going to be install all of these items, so simply you can use your MySQL. So yes, we are done with our installers. Now click on that next button and You can see your configurations are ready to configure. Now click again on that next button and you got your network and okay, simply just click on that next button again. Next again, currently, okay, just put the password you want. Just put any password. So I just click check button and now I'm gonna press that next button. Again click on that next button, execute all of them, and we are done with our installer. Click on that finish button and you can easily access your command line. Now I'm gonna tell you how can you access the command line. Firstly, you just need to give a configuration about your password to them, like I'm doing, and click on that check button. Now press that next button and execute again them running scripts and all. Okay, sure. And we have to click that finish button next. So yes, we are done with our installers. Now you can check by searching MySQL command line and simply enter your password whatever you put it, and yes, you can access it. You want to create a database, so you can simply now use that and create a table if you want whatsoever. So simply you can do it, and the way I taught you, the way to install MySQL in the very easiest way. So if you like that video, so definitely okay. So we are done with our installer, how to install MySQL and all. Hopefully you like this video and make sure you press the like button before leave that video. And thank you so much for your patience and all. We meet soon in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.